I am not afraid to say that I have blown 6 prop firm accounts. I'm not afraid, bro. So let's check it out right here. So I've blown 2 accounts with TX3 funding, which previously was top tier funding. I blew both of these accounts right here, and I've blown 4 accounts. I passed one of them actually. Okay, I passed one and then I blew it. Blew these other ones. And this last account was a instant funded account because I'm only buying instant funded accounts now. And then this account that I'm on currently, I'm 50% in the red, close to blowing this. I only have $1,500 left. But the cool thing about it is I've had this account since November 18th. I've blown 6 accounts, okay? I'm 50% down on my current account. But one thing that I've been growing and learning as I develop my trading strategy, my trading psychology, getting my emotions under control, since I've had this account for multiple months, all my other accounts I blew within 30 days. Or maybe a little bit after, right? Over leveraging, trying to make $1,000 in a day, $1,500 in a day. I'm putting on 5, 10 lots, doing way too much. And I finally understand now why they say less is more. Because I'm not buying no more accounts. Well, my goal is to get a payout from this account, which buys me other accounts. But as far as buying another one, I need to get this account back in the green. And I think I can do it. I quit trading for money. That is out. I finally been able to get my emotions under control. And that used to be a huge problem for me. My anxiety, my fear, my greed, it was off the charts. And that's why I've blown 6 accounts and halfway into blowing number 7. But I think I can bring this one back. I did the calculations, which gives me about 24 more trades at $60 per trade. And I believe I can bring this account back because now I'm focusing on the higher time frames. Now my emotions are under control. I've actually had this account for a couple of months and it's been cool. 2026, my confidence is here. I've been doing a lot of back testing, really studying the market. I'm even thinking about trading only one pair. I am down to 2 right now, trading UJ and USD CAD, but I may cut down and just only trade UJ the rest of 2026 and just really lock in on UJ and become profitable with that one pair. That's what I might do. But I'm just documenting my journey, man. It has been rough. It has been a rough past 2 years. I understand where they say less is more. I understand it's lonely at the top. Like, you really have to become a different person to be a profitable trader. Like, you really have to kill your flesh, kill the greed, kill the fear, really lock in on an edge. That part too, because most people don't even really have an edge. I used to be taking signals and in people's discords, and they press buy, I press buy too. I'm not even knowing what the hell I'm looking at. All right, them days is over, bro. Them days is over, man. If you're a struggling trader, drop your biggest aha moment, your biggest learning lesson for 2025 that you're taking into 2026. Mine is really just trusting the higher time frames, trusting myself to wait till price actually hits my zone, and then be interested in looking down in lower time frames. But until then, sitting on my hands and really trusting my edge and really letting my probability play out. So these last 2 years, they have been rough, but 2026 is going to be amazing. And I'm just continually documenting the journey. I'm honestly excited about 2026 because I actually know how to read the charts with more clarity now. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Here's a video that I think will absolutely bless you. One of my favorite creators. Trap is always dropping some very inspirational videos for traders and investors. I do not trade stocks. I only trade forex, but I do buy stocks every month. So stick around for this next video. Don't forget to subscribe.